All right, today let's talk about a topic that I feel like is on everybody's mind who's in the real estate and the mortgage industry, and that is building additional income streams. We have to do a loan, we have to show a house, we have to put a contract together, and in exchange, we get a paycheck. But getting income in other ways is something that a lot of people, there's a lot of noise about it. It's in both industries, both real estate and mortgage, where some of the biggest companies out there have these revenue models, these rev share models. So let's talk about them, for example. In the real estate industry, you've got EXP has their model, you've got the Real Brokerage, and I don't personally have experience in any of these companies. I do have experience on the mortgage side that has very similar models. You're opening up a branch and you're recruiting people in and you're earning off of them. Or on the broker side, the models where you're recruiting people in and you get a portion of their per file fees or their BIPs. But let's talk about something with this for a second. What happens when you switch companies, or the people you bring in if they switch companies? All of a sudden, if you've built a decent income stream and something changes, that can be gone very quickly. And so I personally have experienced a different way to build additional income, and it's a way that has a lot more control, that cannot be changed very easily, and also doesn't change if you switch or if other people are changing. So let's talk about ancillary income. Ancillary income is when you build a business that you're already referring, that the clients that you're working with are using other services related to the service that you're getting. The thing that I love about ancillary services is that you're working smarter, not harder. You're not working with clients to show houses and then go try to recruit loan officers, which is a hard thing to do. You're working with clients and you're making sure that you're setting up a service for them that fits right in with what they already need, and you've already earned their trust. And so building these other additional revenue streams is a very smart thing to do. But what I want to challenge everyone to do is to think about how you do it and who you do it with and what models you plug into, because that's what's going to determine long-term success and the wealth that you're able to build. Think about the big fish in our industry. Think about the big companies that form, if it's joint ventures, as an example, or open businesses because they know this, they get this. And so it's time for us, the boots on the ground in our local communities, to start getting the same message and setting ourselves up for the same success, so that no matter what decisions we make, it's about having control of the things that impact our families and our teams. And I think that what a lot of people fear about opening an ancillary business, because if you haven't ever opened a real big business, right, it's overwhelming. You think it's really complex. But the truth of the matter is that there are new models that have started coming out in the industry. There are new options, new avenues. So no matter what you've heard in the past, what you've been told, know that there are ways to be able to link into a system that helps you begin to build these additional revenue streams. And my challenge to you is to do it in a way that puts you in control. Controlling how your business operates, who controls it, who's in it, who is involved, what's involved. That's one of the most important things when it comes to any type of income that you're creating. Having the ability to not let anyone shake the solid ground that you're on. And so I think in the past that there weren't the models that that have been developed now today. And that's one of the reasons that I jumped out of production, so that I could start helping other people begin to experience these other revenue streams, because I didn't have anyone who helped me open my ancillary businesses. And I didn't have the models that we now created for other people to start opening their own mortgage brokerages, their own title companies, their own insurance businesses. And there are these other models. You just need to know where to look. So creating these videos is the way that we're going to start creating awareness around this. So if this video started helping you think differently about your business, about how you could grow your business, about the impact that adding ancillary could do for your business, then you're in the right place. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell so you get more of our videos, so you can dig deeper into all the things I'm sure you have questions about when it comes to adding additional revenue in ancillary businesses, because there still is a lot that goes into it beyond this is what you should do. But I want you to think differently about the smartest way, not the hard way, to build revenue. And the best part is you can combine ways. So you can still do a rev share model and work at an EXP or a real brokerage and add a mortgage brokerage, a title company. You can do it. Some people can do it by themselves if you have the volume. Some people, you're going to need to partner up and do it with other people. You can do it with the trusted mortgage loan officer or title agent that you like, as long as you can get them to buy into it too. It's all about working together, collaborating, and being able to create something that we couldn't do alone, but we can do together. And so I'm Megan Marsh from Collab Lending Franchise and Concierge, and hopefully I've helped you think a little bit differently today, and I hope you'll join me in the next video. And please give me comments here so that if you have questions about adding ancillary, we can start answering them. We're live on Friday afternoons, so come back and join us and start asking your questions so you can start changing your business and setting yourself up for success in the future. See you next time.